Back in 1894, the Times warned that London streets would soon be buried under 9 feet of horse manure, the infamous Great Horse Manure Crisis. To solve this eco-nightmare, cities ditched horses for self-propelled vehicles, sparking the birth of early electric cars. Fast forward to the modern era. The first true mass-market electric cars arrived around 2010, promising zero emissions but facing real crash test scrutiny. Today, we're looking at how those pioneering EVs performed in brutal safety tests. Some crushed it, others raised serious questions. If you love raw crash test breakdowns, smash that subscribe button right now, hit the bell, and join the crew for more EV deep dives. First up, the Nissan Leaf 2011 model, the world's first affordable, mass-produced family EV from a major brand. Euro NCAP gave it a full 5-star rating in 2011, the first electric car ever to hit the top score. The battery stayed sealed, structure held strong in frontal, side, and pole crashes, with excellent dummy protection and no high-voltage risks. Proof that EVs could match or beat gas cars from day one. Next, the Chevrolet Volt 2011 plug-in hybrid, early mass electrified pioneer. NHTSA awarded 5 stars overall, and it performed well in IIHS small overlap tests after minor fixes. Solid chest head protection, minimal cabin intrusion, and safe battery isolation. A strong early win for electrified vehicles. Next, the Renault Zoe 2013 model, a true mass-market city EV pioneer. Euro NCAP awarded it 5 stars in 2013, with strong frontal and side barrier protection, maximum points in many areas, and good occupant safeguarding. The battery remained secure with no fires, though chest protection in the severe side pole was weaker. A solid early win for affordable French electrics. Then, the Tesla Model S 2013, the game-changing luxury EV that redefined performance and safety. NHTSA gave it a perfect 5-star overall rating, the highest score ever recorded at the time. Acing frontal, side, pole, and rollover tests. The low battery placement and massive crumple zones, no engine up front, kept the cabin intact, with dummies showing minimal injury risks. It set the benchmark for EV safety dominance. The BMW i3 2013, BMW's revolutionary lightweight carbon fiber EV, Euro NCAP scored it 4 stars overall in 2013, with excellent occupant protection, 86% adult, strong side impacts thanks to the rigid cell, and maximum points in side barrier tests. Weaknesses came from pedestrian head protection and some optional safety tech, but the structure proved incredibly tough for a small city car. And the Mitsubishi i-MiEV 2009-2010's Early City EV scored 4 stars from Euro NCAP in 2009. Decent frontal protection. Battery stayed secure with no fires, but its tiny size meant weaker side impact results and higher injury risk in big hits due to limited crumple zones. Which Pioneer shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments, like if you learned something new, and subscribe for more crash test breakdowns. Your next ride's safety might depend on it. See you next time. Stay charged.